Hi everyone, I'm Samuel Golding. In this video, what I would like to talk about is web hosting, using Hostgator and basically just taking you inside Hostgator. Now first of all, when you tap into the link and you come to this website, this is the first page you're going to come to. Now there are three different types of hosting you can go for. You've got your normal basic hosting, you've got reseller, and you've got dedicated. Now if you're an absolute beginner, and I'm basically more or less talking to the beginners, what you more or less need is just hosting. To be honest, you don't really need reseller, you don't really need dedicated. It gets obviously really technical. So to keep it simple, if you basically want to get onto the internet and you're playing around with Microsoft Front Page or Dreamweaver and you need a hosting service, you can use HostGator. I personally use them myself. What I'm going to do is going to take you down and show you some of the actual packages in more detail. When you come to the page, as I said, come over here to the left hand side. If you tap view demo, it take you into basically an account, so you can have a look around, but it's a dummy account. What I'll do, I'll take you inside my account. Okay, if you want to view all three plans to basically see what the pros and cons, what you're getting, all you do, you tap on this link here, scroll down the page. Okay, and it says compare all hosting plans. So you just pick anyone you want, and here you go. So basically this will tell you what each plan has. And what I'm using Baby Croc. It says Baby there, but it's actually called Baby Croc. As you scroll down, you can see basically what you're getting and what you're not. As you can see, disk space for everyone's unlimited, bandwidth for everyone's unlimited, domain names allowed, you can only add one to hatch it in, and it's unlimited when it comes to Baby Croc or business. And basically it's pretty straightforward. What you need it for, if you actually just want to get onto the internet because you want to, for example, sell a product and you want to have some hosting, you can use HostGator. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to, for example, have multiple websites and you're looking at, for example, a lot of people make money using AdSense and they have multiple AdSense sites out there making money. So you want to go for unlimited, you want to go for Baby, because I've got another hosting account and it's with another company, and at the time before I started using this one, it wasn't unlimited, so I could only have about 20 websites up and running, and plus subdomains, but I can only have 20 domain names attached to that hosting service I was using. So it kind of limited me to what I needed to do. And then I found HostGator, and it does everything I need it to do. So I now use this one a lot more than the other one. I still use the other one, but I mainly use this one. Okay, let me just scroll down. Again, everything you see here, ticks and crosses, pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. You know what you're getting. Over here, they offer you 45 days money back guarantee. Google AdWords, basically, as if you're going to be making money online, or you want to advertise your website. If you advertise your website, you've got $50 credit that you can go and open a Google AdWords account, put out your ad, and have people come to your website. Now, if you're in the UK like myself, the $50 credit, I'll be straight up with you, you don't get it. You don't get it at all. It's only for people in the US and Canada. Okay, so obviously when I got my HostGator account, I was all excited looking to advertise my website using Google AdWords, and I found out that $50 doesn't apply to me because I don't live in the US. They need to sort that out, but that's how it goes. Okay. Again, you can see different things here: unlimited, subdomain names, what I was talking about earlier on. It's meaning subdomains, if you don't know what that is, basically your domain name could be whatever. Say you had a domain name called hostgator.com. A subdomain could be, for example, samuel.hostgator.com would be a subdomain. Okay, right. Again, to go through all of these and explain all of these, it's gonna be very, very time consuming, and you'll probably get bored of listening to all the technicalities and things like that. So I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet and kind of show you basically what you're getting. So that's that. Okay. So that's obviously, you can view both. You can view all three plans. Now I'm going to take you inside my account. In fact, before I do that, if you want, you can have a look at a virtual account. Just kind of play around a bit. It's right here. Try a cPanel demo. Tap into it. It's going to blow up bigger than my screen. give it a second while it loads up. As it loads up here, you can play around with it. Play around with all the things here, look into it. Let me just scroll down. Try not to take up a lot of your time. Scroll down. So a lot of things you can play around with. As you can see, this is a demo account, so there's nothing really happening here at the moment. Okay, so that's the demo account. Okay, let me close this one up. Okay, now my account, I'll take you to my account. It's no problem, is it? It's my account. Here you go. This is my account. Just scroll down. Yeah, everything's the same. As you can see, it's one of my websites there. File Manager, if you go into File Manager, just tap on that. Again, that's where you go to look at all your folders that's actually on your website. Can't do that at the moment because obviously, you know, got a lot of things inside there. Again, is no difference. No difference. That's basically it. That's inside Hostgator. So again, I don't believe they're offering a trial of this one. I know one of my other videos, other companies are obviously offering trials, but there's no real trial on this. But you do have a 45-day money back guarantee. So that's basically my review of Hostgator. I find them fantastic. I have no complaints with them whatsoever. Again, there's so much things I can talk to you about. For example, if you had a problem, you've got live chat, you tap on that. I can remove this box so you can see it. Inside here, you put your name, put the department you need to speak to, put the messages, and then put start chat. And then you can start communicating with regards to whatever your issue or your problem is. Again, I could go into so much information and detail about all these people, all these things here, but it's just really, it'll take up a lot of time. Okay? Alright, so that's basically me, Samuel Golden. If you're gonna go to Hostgator, try it out yourself, try it at the demo, find me, go to my description, tap on the link, take you to the website and you can play around with it. Please rate, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.